Have you ever pondered on the possibility of making money with copywriting as a beginner? Well, today we're going to delve deep into this fascinating world and break it down into simple, easy to follow steps. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to kickstart your copywriting journey. So, what is copywriting? It's the art of writing persuasive and compelling text that sells products or services. It's everywhere, from advertisements and brochures to emails and websites. Now imagine being the one who crafts these persuasive messages and gets paid handsomely for it. Sounds intriguing, right? Step 1 in this journey is to learn the basics. Read books, watch tutorials, take online courses. There's a wealth of information out there waiting for you to tap into. Understand what makes a good copy, learn about the psychology of persuasion, and grasp the art of storytelling. Step 2 is practice. Like any other skill, copywriting requires practice. Start by rewriting existing copies. Look at an ad and think, how could I make this better? Write every day, even if it's just a paragraph. Remember, the more you write, the better you get. Step 3. Create a portfolio. Once you feel confident in your writing, start creating samples of your work. It doesn't matter if they're hypothetical. What matters is that they demonstrate your skills. This portfolio is your ticket to attracting clients. Step 4. Start pitching. Now, it's time to put yourself out there. Look for freelance job boards, join online communities, reach out to local businesses. Don't be disheartened if you face rejection or don't hear back immediately. Keep sending out those pitches. One of them is bound to catch someone's eye. Step 5. Never stop learning. The world of copywriting is dynamic. Trends change, new strategies emerge. Stay updated. Attend webinars, join workshops, keep reading. The more you know, the more valuable you become. You see, starting a career in copywriting is not as daunting as it may seem. It requires effort, yes. It requires learning and practice, absolutely. But the rewards, they're worth every bit of it. You get to work from anywhere, set your own hours, and most importantly, get paid for doing something you love. So why wait? The world of copywriting is waiting for you. Start your journey today. With determination and perseverance, you'll soon be crafting persuasive copies and making money doing what you love. And remember, every great copywriter started exactly where you are right now. So take that first step. Your copywriting journey starts today.